Welcome to my YouTube channel Live Healthy and Happy. Today I would like to introduce to you about topic what is living according to nature? And health benefits of living according to nature. Let's watch the video and refer to it. Living according to nature refers to embracing and aligning oneself with the principles and rhythms of the natural world. It involves recognizing that humans are part of a larger ecosystem and acknowledging their interconnectedness with all living beings and the earth itself. Living according to nature means adopting a sustainable and mindful approach to life. It involves seeking harmony with the natural environment, respecting its resources, and understanding the importance of preserving biodiversity. It also encompasses recognizing the intrinsic value of all life forms and treating them with compassion and care. One aspect of living according to nature is seeking a balance between consumption and conservation. It means consuming resources in a responsible manner, considering the long-term impact on the environment, and making choices that promote sustainability. Whether it's reducing waste, conserving energy, or making environmentally conscious purchasing decisions, living according to nature entails being mindful of one's ecological footprint. Living according to nature also involves fostering a deep connection with the natural world. It means spending time in nature, appreciating its beauty, and engaging in activities that reconnect us to the Earth's rhythms. This can include walking in forests, gardening, or simply observing the cycles of the seasons. By embracing nature as a teacher and a source of inspiration, we can cultivate a sense of wonder and gratitude for the world around us. Living according to nature goes beyond individual actions, it extends to our collective responsibility as a society. It calls for advocating for environmental protection, promoting sustainable practices, and supporting initiatives that preserve ecosystems and wildlife. It implies recognizing that our well-being is intricately interlinked with the health of the planet and working towards a future where both humans and nature can thrive. Ultimately, living according to nature is about embracing a holistic and mindful approach to life, one that recognizes our place within the larger tapestry of the natural world. By aligning our actions and choices with the principles of sustainability and interconnectedness, we can contribute to a healthier and more harmonious existence for ourselves, future generations, and the planet as a whole. Living according to nature can have numerous health benefits for individuals. A lifestyle that embraces nature and aligns with its principles can promote physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here are some of the health benefits of living in harmony with nature. 1. Physical fitness. Living in nature often involves engaging in physical activities such as hiking, gardening, or outdoor sports. Regular exercise in natural environments can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, boost endurance, and help maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, exposure to natural light and fresh air can enhance vitamin D levels and support overall immune function. To reduce stress, nature has a calming effect on the human mind. Spending time in natural surroundings can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. The sound of birds chirping, the rustle of leaves, or the gentle breeze can have a soothing effect, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of inner peace. 3. Improved mental health. Living according to nature can significantly contribute to improved mental well-being. Studies have shown that being in natural environments can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, increase self-esteem, and enhance overall mood. Nature provides a peaceful and serene atmosphere that can be therapeutic, allowing individuals to disconnect from the demands of daily life and reconnect with themselves. 4. Enhanced cognitive function. Interacting with nature can have a positive impact on cognitive function. Nature walks or spending time in green spaces have been associated with improved focus, memory, and attention span. The exposure to natural elements can stimulate the brain, enhance creativity, and promote mental clarity. 5. Increased immunity. Living in close proximity to nature has been linked to a stronger immune system. Regular contact with diverse outdoor environments exposes individuals to a broader range of bacteria and microorganisms. This exposure can help promote a healthier immune response and reduce the risk of allergies and autoimmune disorders. 6. Improved sleep quality. Nature and its sounds have a soothing effect on the body and mind, promoting better sleep quality. Sleeping in natural and quieter environments can minimize disruptions and provide a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Exposure to natural light and the regulation of circadian rhythms can also help regulate sleep patterns. 7. Social connection. Living according to nature often encourages communal activities and shared experiences with others. Engaging in nature-centered activities, such as hiking groups or community gardening, fosters social connections and a sense of belonging. Social interaction is crucial for mental and emotional well-being, and nature can provide a common ground for like-minded individuals to come together. Overall, living according to nature can have a profound positive impact on an individual's health. By embracing the outdoors, connecting with the natural world, and incorporating nature-based activities into daily life, individuals can experience physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, and a deeper sense of overall well-being. Remember to click like and subscribe to the channel to support me for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Wish you a lot of health and luck in life. Love you.